Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and inviting Carl. This saves time later. Give yourself manage server so you can assign bot roles. Next, create a dedicated Carl role and grant manage roles, manage messages, and embed links. This enables moderation and embeds. When inviting, include bot and applications. Command scopes, then position Carl's role below the admin role, but above any roles Carl will manage. Once done, open the dashboard to begin configuration. This prevents permission errors when you'll now enable and tune core modules so Carl works smoothly. Start with moderation. Set maximum warnings per minute, auto-moderation thresholds, and clear punishments like mute or ban. This prevents spam and enforces rules. Then configure welcome and goodbye. Pick a channel, craft an embed with variables for username and join date so new users feel informed. Finally, set logging channels for message edits, deletions, and member actions. This maintains accountability and helps you audit incidents later. Finish by automating and testing everything. Here's how and why. Build automod rules for rejects, blacklisted words, and invite links, then test them in a temporary channel so you don't disrupt members. Add custom commands, reaction roles, and schedule tasks, ensuring you use exact channel and role ID to avoid misfires. Once configured, run dry tests of punishments, welcomes, and logging to confirm behavior. If something breaks, check role hierarchy and bot permissions first. Those fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.